If you want to use Gemini on POCO M8 Pro, you have a couple of ways to activate it. So the first method to start using Gemini is to simply press and hold the power button. There we go. By default, you can actually press and hold the power button, and then whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text over here, and then once you end your sentence, you can get like Google search results, or you can get an answer from Gemini. Besides that, you can also open the Gemini app, which you can find pre-installed in the app drawer. And over here you can write a prompt. You can also use a bunch of different tools in here, and you can have a live chat with Gemini by using this option here in the bottom right corner. Besides that, if you use gestures for navigation, you can swipe from bottom left or bottom right corner to the inside of the phone, and this activates the Gemini as well. And of course, besides that, you can, for example, get a widget. You should be able to find a widget, and you can use it in order to, for example, straight away ask Gemini something, maybe use a screen share, use the live chat option, or toggle a video and start using Gemini with a video instead. So as you can see, we have a couple of different ways to do so. Oh, and actually, if you want to get the widget, then the best way to do so is by using the Gemini shortcut. So let me actually add Gemini into the home screen. There we go. And then you can press and hold your finger on the app, and then we have add widgets. There we go, we have our widget, and we can add it to the home screen just like that. And of course we can adjust the size if needed. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.